Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Clone Engine 23. Yes, huge announcement about my channel, this channel, Clone Engine. It will be have a new content, join content about two others topics. Yes, the main topic absolutely about Star Wars, especially Clone Wars. Yes, my favorite. Yes, and the others, yes, will be about medieval era, which is the specific about Crusaders. Yes, yeah, because I also huge fan about this history era, and I have a lot of collection. Yes, mostly bootleg, of course. And also this World War II, especially the invasion in Europe. Yes, all about mostly about Germany, of course, and US Army and Red Army. Yes, maybe small topics, invasion in Africa also. Of course, also about the British Army. Yes, that's mostly my World War II content. This will be a huge progress of my channel in the future. Yes. What do you think, guys? Please comment about your, maybe of you also like interest in history like this, the Crusaders era or the World War II. Don't forget to visit my other channel, Asset Combat. Just stay tuned on my channel. We'll have so many custom works. Yes, of course. See you on my next video. Always, guys, stay safe. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes, sir.